Hello guys, welcome to Matchtech. This is Evolution X version 5.4 Bombastic Edition ROM install guide for our Realme X device. All the download links will be there in the description box below. If you want to activate your Windows 10 with official retail key, that too in only 445 Indian rupees, here is a video card for same and the website link will be there in the description box below. I am personally using the same key, so you can trust this site. Let's get started. Put your device into Twrp recovery. Now go into wipe, advanced wipe Dalvik cache system vendor data. Now go into install and select Evolution X version 5.4 Bombastic Edition ROM and flash that ROM. Now again go into wipe, swipe to factory reset, format data by typing yes. Reboot system now. First boot will take some time, so don't worry, just sit back and relax. Just quickly set up your device. Add fingerprint sensor. Here select dark mode or light mode. As you can see, device is booted into Evolution X ROM. Proximity sensor is working fine while calling. This ROM comes with really essential apps and Google Play Store is pre-installed. Let's go into settings. As you can see, it is running on Android 11. Build date 3rd February 2021. 5 February 2021 Android security patch. Evolution X 5.4 Bombastic Homemade Edition. Google Play Store is certified by default without flashing Magisk. Full review video of this ROM is coming really soon on the channel, so please stay subscribed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. Thank you guys for watching this video.